Hello everybody, today I want to talk about Elliott Wave and Elliott Wave guidelines. Well, we don't need academic way for Elliott Wave. We don't need complex Elliott Wave. When we use Elliott Wave for trading, we should use it in simple way. How can we use Elliott Wave in simple way? Well, there are many Elliott Wave guidelines in academic way, but don't forget, we need just 3 of them. Pay attention, just 3 of them for trading. We want trading, and for trading we need just 3 of them. Okay, listen it carefully. Trend often unfold in 5-wave pattern. Look at this picture. This 5-wave pattern. We call it impulse wave. And correction or counter trend often unfold in 3-wave pattern. Don't forget, trend usually unfold the direction of a longer degree trend, and correction usually unfold against the direction of higher degree time frame. Okay, let's look at example. This is trend, impulse wave. Don't forget, trend usually unfold non-overlapping wave pattern. This is overlapping and this is not overlapping. In trend we shouldn't have overlapping. And in correction, ABC usually unfold in 3-wave pattern with overlapping pattern. We just need 2 of correction, zigzag and flat. Just this. We don't need complex Elliott wave for trading. Okay. This is our Elliott Wave guideline for trading. Now you should just practice and practice. When you have a question, send for me your question in Elliott Wave for my ID in Telegram, Euro Jafari. Thanks for watching this video.